In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image in Figma, an essential skill for anyone looking to enhance their design projects. Whether you're working on a professional project or just exploring your creative side, integrating images can bring your designs to life. Let's start with the simplest method for uploading images, the drag and drop technique. This straightforward approach allows you to quickly incorporate your desired image into your project. All you need to do is locate the file you wish to use on your computer, drag it over to your open Figma workspace, and release it. This method is efficient for adding images directly into your design canvas. However, if you're looking to place an image within a specific shape, such as a box, triangle, or circle, the process requires a bit more precision. Begin by selecting the shape you wish to use from your toolbar. Click on it to ensure it's active. Once you've chosen your shape, direct your attention to the right sidebar where you'll find the Fill option. Click on Fill and you'll see a drop-down menu. Choose Image from this menu. Now you have the choice to upload the file from your computer. Just click Select Image and navigate to your desired photo. But remember, you can also use the drag and drop method within this space just as easily if that's your preference. After your image is uploaded into the shape, you might want to consider how it fits. Figma offers a few options to tailor the image to your aesthetic needs. You can opt to fit the image completely within the shape, ensuring the entire picture is visible without cutting any part off. Alternatively, you may choose to crop it, which allows you to focus on a specific area within the picture. This is particularly useful if the image contains important details you want to emphasize. Beyond simply inserting the image, Figma provides tools to help you enhance its appearance. By adjusting settings such as exposure, contrast, saturation, and temperature, you can refine the visual appeal of the image. Play around with the tint, highlights, and shadows to create the perfect balance in your design. These adjustments can dramatically improve how your image integrates with the rest of your composition, allowing it to stand out or blend seamlessly, depending on your vision. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to add an image to Figma, and with these additional tweaks, you can ensure each photo fits beautifully into your design project. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Enjoy exploring the possibilities that images bring to your Figma designs. Happy designing!